Hello guys, my name is Ian Ben B. Lavinete. I'm here to you to show how to install the virtual machine. So by clicking this link, it will proceed to the browser to downloading. Since I have already downloaded the VMware player, so let's install it. Uh, so first, go to the file manager, select downloads, run VMware. This is how to install the VMware. Yes. Let's wait for a moment. So guys, it takes the time for this. So here, um, it will prompt the VMware workstation 16 player setup. So first, here my for that is my name, Dominic and Ben, my ID number in the school, which is 1900001035. Let's proceed to the installation. First, download and install the VMware player, which is already I did. And second, which launch the VMware player and create a new virtual machine. So let's, I mean, sorry for that. Let's set up first, install the VMware. By clicking on the next, it takes a lot of time to read this. So let's click the accept the terms and license agreement. Click the next, then next, then install. Let's wait for a moment to finish this installing the VMware or virtual machine. If you see this guys, it's okay. It's a part of the installing. And since I have a low spec PC, it's why it look like this. It look like this. So see the time, 7:18, Friday, 20 and December. Let's wait guys. it almost finished, guys. After that, let's click finish. Then search the VMware. VMware. And new. Um, since it's already installed, we should follow the second step. Launch the VMware player and create a new virtual machine. So by clicking this, select the install operating system later. And the virtual machine will be created with a blank and hard disk. So select click the next. Select Microsoft as a guest operating system. Next, change the virtual machine name into the Colette underscore preview underscore 2024 and select the next. Oh, oh. Now let's cancel first, guys. Okay. Again, let's do it again. Since it already exists that name, so let's change. Okay. Ian then. And I Marionette underscore 3B underscore 2024. Next, select the split. Select virtual disk as a single file. Select that. And next, it's finished. Review the virtual machine settings and ensure all recommended values are correctly configured. Once verified, click the finish to complete the setup. So I think it's all the same. Let's click the finish. So, so next is let's edit the virtual machine settings.